Hi, welcome to Lumise Tutorials add-on bundle series. This is Tommy, and today we are continuing to discover the next features in this add-on. Introducing My Design, the features that increase your customer redemption rate and generate your marketing campaign more productively. Before we dive in, let's figure out what My Design is and why it helps you to grow your business. So, My Design is a feature that allows your customer to save their design to the Lumise server for later use. To be able to save their design, they will need to create an account with your store. I guess now you're wondering, so is there anything else besides saving a design? Of course, there's a lot more, and I will show you now. So as long as your user register with your shop, they have to provide their information includes email address, locations and phone number. Everything will be recorded under the WooCommerce customer to monitor and keep track of your customer profiles. So what are you going to do with all of those kind of stuff? The answer is you can use that data to support your marketing campaign, like sending discount, announcement and newsletter. According to that data, now you can answer two questions. Who are your loyal customers? What your target customer look like? You have a chance to improve your store, to attract new customers and increase the redemption rate. Now, I'm going to show you how we can set up these great features. It is super easy, you only need to activate it, no more setting needed. To make matters a little more clear, I will create an account in my shop now to show you how this process works. So after register, now I can create my own design and save as many as I want to. At the same time, my profile is now visible in the customer profile under WooCommerce, includes my name, email and address. And you can use these informations to support your marketing campaign. That is all. I hope you understand how this feature works and why you need it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next videos.